I have something new. I finally got acrylic markers. I am so excited to try these, so let's do that together. I have been waiting forever to try acrylic markers, so today is finally the day, and I'm so excited to try these out because I heard so much good stuff about them. I'm literally too excited to function, so let's open these. Oops. They are so beautiful. Okay, look at this. We have 24 beautiful colors. I feel like unboxing tiny pieces of joy. The colors are so beautiful and vibrant. Look at that. Should we swatch them? I think we should swatch them. You have little symbols on the marker, as you can see here. So first you need to shake the marker, then you can paint and draw with it, then you need to put the lid on, and then you need to store them horizontally. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. So the main thing about them is that they aren't supposed to bleed through the paper. So that's the first thing we will check. We will start up here. Is it bleeding through? No, it's not bleeding through. That's amazing. Now let's swatch all the other colors. They have such beautiful pigmentation. Let's test the white one. I'm very excited to see that. Oh, wow. It's beautiful. And they are not really changing color when they dry, which is amazing. Now let's check if they bled through the paper. They didn't. They didn't bleed through the paper. Amazing. And I love how the pale colors are still visible. So a little close up. Alright, for my first acrylic marker painting, I thought I would keep it simple and we will just start with blueberries. I have seen a lot of you guys do blueberry paintings with acrylic markers and it always looks so simple and beautiful, so I thought I couldn't do anything wrong with that. And that's exactly what we're gonna do. Blueberries. I'm usually used to doing a sketch first, but let's just do it freehand right now. I don't know, I'm feeling like it. So we will make one like right here. Don't judge my circle, please. I know it looks terrible. We'll do one right here. We will do one in between, like it's right there, you know? Yeah, I like this so far. I have, by the way, never painted free-handed. I have always done a sketch first, so this is my first time doing that, actually. You guys, I'm scared. Looks good, right? It's alright, yeah. I think so. Should we add one more? Should we add one right here? I think I might add one right here. Yeah, I like this so far. Alright. The leaf. I will first do it with the light green. Make it right here. But there will be another leaf also from here. Let's just simply start with the blueberries, I would say. I'm gonna pick these shades right here and white and also some black. Let's start with the darker colors, which for this one it will be right there. For this one we will have a little shade right here and right there. This one will be darker because it's in the back, but we'll have some highlights right around here. This one will also be dark right there. Because I want my light to fall from this side. I don't know if I will ruin this now. I don't know if I can mix the colors. Let's see, let's take a look. Not really. But at least it's like a darker shade, I would say. I will add like the slightest bit of this shade. I will try to like make the highlights. We will add the lighter color right here. It looks real nice so far, I must admit. We'll add the white right here, especially up here, because this is where the lighter part and the light falls. I'm talking so much even though I have no idea what I'm doing, so... Here it needs to be darker. This one is overlapping, that's why. I will try to add like some texture by doing this. But so far, I must admit I really like this. The lighter color will be here. Oh, I can blend them with my finger. That's amazing. Now we will add the slightest bit, but only like the slightest bit of orange right in here. I will fill this one with the lighter shade. Yeah, I will now just simply add all the lighter color to all of them. With the darker color, I'm gonna go back in and do a little bit more of the shading like this. Alright, this far, feeling pretty good about it. We'll add the lighter color in every center. I'm pretty much going back and forth with the colors to have that finish that I want to achieve. I can see that with this it's really a lot of doing, just coloring, going in, trying something different, doing it again, stuff like that, and then it turns out the way that you want it to. But the main thing I would say is just going back and forth, adding little details. I don't know, do you guys think that the purple is too much or just about right? Because I'm not really sure if I love or hate the purple. But I think I really like the outcome of this one. Now I'm just like cleaning up the mess. I'll keep adding some color. I will just simply continue with the leaves and we'll do the same thing. I'll first lay down the darker part, which will be right here. I will just go in right here and just color everything with a lighter shade. And then we'll pretty much do the same thing like we did with the blueberries. Switching back and forth to see how we like the colors. Here we will have some highlights. The stem is always lighter than the leaf itself. Did it bleed through? No, it didn't. I really thought it would. Because I added so many layers. Actually, this is incredible. I think this is it. I really like the way this turned out, actually. For my first ever acrylic marker piece of art, I think I really like this one. This, ladies and gentlemen, maybe was my first time creating a painting with acrylic markers, but definitely won't be the last time. I am beyond obsessed with these. The finish is beautiful and... hold on, wait a second. Exactly, no transfer. Did you see how many layers I put on there? I'm so happy that they worked. I can't wait to do another piece with these. And I hope my next acrylic marker painting will be a little bit more detailed, maybe a bigger piece, I don't know. But stay tuned and see you next time. Bye!